video, we will learn how to create matrix controls, indicators, and constants. We can use matrix front panel controls, indicators, and constants with matrices to group rows or columns of real or complex scalar data for some math operations such as linear algebra operations. Follow these steps to create a matrix control, indicator, or constant. Add one of the following controls to the front panel window: real matrix, or complex matrix. Note, when we create a front panel real matrix control or a complex matrix, LabVIEW configures the data type of the control to match the matrix control we select. We can change the type of the matrix by replacing the matrix control. We can convert the matrix control to a matrix indicator by right-clicking the control and selecting Change to Indicator from the shortcut menu. Matrix controls and indicators operate like array controls and indicators. Note, by default, matrix controls and indicators show more than one element and display scroll bars for both dimensions. Because the element type is configured by the matrix control, we can only change the matrix type by replacing the matrix control. We can also create a matrix constant. Right-click a matrix control or indicator on the block diagram and select Change to Constant from the shortcut menu.